In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 4-hour time frame on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader and go to minutes here, time frame. Click on it. And as you can see, we have here minutes up to 60 minutes, 1 hour. So we have to add 4 hours. So click on configure. Let's click on add. And we have here the value. Let's open our calculator. We have 60 times 4, 240. So I will type here 240 minutes. That equals 4 hours. We have here label. So I will type 4 hour. Click on OK. As you can see, this is our 4-hour time frame. So I will remove that arrow bus like this. Click on OK. Click on apply and click on OK. Now, if we go to our time frames, as you can see, we have here the 4-hour time frame. So click on it. And as you can see here, this is our 4-hour time frame. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.